Meet Ben. Ben manages a machine shop and is primarily responsible for making happy customers. Unfortunately, he faces several big issues that consistently get in the way. Sometimes his machinists use the wrong, outdated CNC programs and make scrap. He also loses efficiency every time a machinist leaves their machine to get a CNC program from a shop computer. Other times, useful machine side edits are lost and must be manually reinserted each time the CNC program is reloaded. Worse, his shop will never reach max efficiency if CNC programs are being manually entered at the control. Ben has struggled with all these costly issues, making it difficult to ensure that customers' parts are machined right and delivered on time. Until now, Ben chooses MachineLink QuickServe to help manage these concerns. MachineLink QuickServe is the cost-effective solution for increasing productivity by keeping machinists at their machines and reducing scrap by ensuring the correct CNC programs are being used every time. Not only does QuickServe improve efficiency, it also helps Ben remain competitive and deliver on time, making happy, repeat customers. Here's how it works. From their machine, machinists request a CNC program. They are not forced to walk to the tool room and manually interact with a computer to find the right file. The CNC program request is sent from their machine, and the correct CNC program is returned directly back to their machine in seconds. Just like magic! Better yet, the returned file version will match the latest engineering print, minimizing on-the-floor changes and greatly reducing scrap and lost time. Ben can even review changes made at the machines, and useful changes can be incorporated, helping to improve overall shop efficiency. All these benefits help Ben make sure his customers are more than satisfied, and that his shop runs more streamlined and profitable. For more information on how you can increase your shop's productivity, visit www.quickserve.biz to learn more and get linked today.